Today is a little different. I was feeling a little different. Today I decided to pick my phone cases of the day for one whole week. Yep, that's right. That's 7 phone cases. One for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You know what? I don't know how to count clearly, but that is what I'm doing today. I'm picking my phone cases for every single day of this week. Hopefully, I am consistent. Hopefully, I change my phone case up every day based on what I choose right now. Follow me on Instagram. That is where I will be posting on my story, and that is where you will know if I am being consistent with my plan and if I'm not. That also means that I may or may not match my outfit to my phone case instead of matching my outfit with the phone case. You know? Alright, so on my bed right now, right here, right now, are most of my phone cases. I am pretty sure that I'm missing some, not all. And that's pretty much it! Woo! You're probably asking yourself why? Why did you think of this? How did this happen? What made you get to this? And honestly, there's a very simple explanation to this. I don't use all of my phone cases. When it comes to my phone cases, I have my favorites. Don't judge me, but I always end up going back to the phone cases that I absolutely love the most. The one mistake that I had with the iPhone 13 Pro Max was that I did not use every single case the way that I wanted to. So here I am with the iPhone 14 Pro Max, new phone cases that I want to use. I don't want to just have them there. Like I mentioned, I'm going to be picking one phone case for each day of this upcoming week and then updating you guys on that on my Instagram or Threads. Are you on Threads yet? Because honestly, I wake up thinking about it, go to sleep thinking about it. I already deleted my Twitter app. So let's get right into it. And I'm super excited. So let's go. Let's dig in and see what phone cases we get. Okay, how should I do this? Should this phone case be for Monday, or like I could do whatever I want? All right, I'm gonna reach for a phone case now. This is the first one that I got. I can work with it. It's summer. It's giving grass. Randomly. Ooh, you see what I'm telling you? I forgot about this phone case. I literally forgot about it. So this is this phone case. Honestly, I'm so happy I got this phone case because like I said, I completely forgot about it. Next. Oh, there's a lot of red going on. This phone case has red. This phone case has red, and I literally only have like one red shirt. On to the third one. I know exactly which phone case this is. I don't know how I feel about having this phone case on for like a whole day. Usually I'll only have it for like a little bit, and then I kind of feel like I need to switch it up. But this is gonna be super cute. I think I'm gonna do a matching my phone theme to phone case video for this one for sure. I do have a little husky slash German shepherd, a Shepsky. So if you see hairs just flying all over me, basically, it's because of my little fur baby that I love with all my heart. That was the 4th phone case, and now we're on to the 5th. Yeah. And we're just grabbing. Ooh, another case to 5 phone case. We have 5. We have 2 more to go. I don't even have that many phone cases like that, so I'm gonna have to get new ones. Should I just grab 2? Okay, I grabbed 2. I grabbed the last 2. I'm gonna put this box away. These are my final 2. You are looking at them before I look at them. What is this? This is a Shein case for sure. This is definitely a Shein phone case. This, Oh, I know which one this one is. All right, so these are my final 2 phone cases for the week. Like I said, I'm going to be deciding as I go which I want for every single day. So definitely follow me on Instagram to see my Instagram stories so that you know exactly which phone cases I'm using. All right, so this is kind of what I'm thinking. Ready? I need to analyze these phone cases really well right now. Let's see, Monday. Yes, Monday. Let's see, Monday. What's giving Monday? Which one of these is giving Monday? I think this gives me more like fall vibes, but maybe I'm wrong. Anyways, I think Monday's phone case is going to be this one. Like I said, follow me on Instagram so you can keep up with the phone case that I have on that particular day. Yeah, I think this one will be for Tuesday, just like a little simple phone case. Like, what if I just want to be like in PJs or like something comfy? That's typically how my Tuesdays go. But yeah, definitely think there's gonna be a Tuesday's phone case. I think for Wednesday is going to be this Casetify phone case, because usually I go out with my boyfriend on those Wednesdays, and if we go out and about, I need to make sure my my phone is well protected. Do I have to say where this is from? Because I mean, you could see. But if you didn't see, Casetify. Then we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. For Thursday, this one, another Casetify phone case. For Friday, Casely phone case. You know, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, this is definitely gonna be Saturdays for sure. And now I feel like I need to make some plans to go out and about, because this deserves a very nice, splendid, beautiful outfit. Yup. And then last but not least, in 1 week from today, because today is Sunday, if you're watching this, I hope I got this video up. And if I got this video up on Sunday, please comment down below that you're proud of me, because today is Saturday, so it's the night before. Anyways, in a week from now, I will have this phone case right here, ready to start a new week for Monday. I'm so excited to finally use these phone cases. Honestly, none of these phone cases are phone cases that I reach for. They're kind of just there, like, yeah, they're pretty, but they're not my absolute favorite, you know? Like, I hope I make sense. This is the very first time that I'm going to try to change my phone case every single day for 1 week. A little thumbnail moment. I'm going to try. I'm gonna be dedicated. Yes. I honestly just realized how much I need more phone cases. By this time around with the iPhone 13, trust me, I had a lot of phone cases, and that's not the case right now, which makes me really sad. The phone case collection is coming up soon. I know y'all love that. I know. And what's my iPhone? Y'all love that too. I just know. These are my phone cases of the week. These are the phone cases that you're going to be seeing on my Instagram story and on my threads, because why not? I'm gonna update everyone everywhere on what phone case I have on. Anyway, that pretty much completes today's video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and follow. Wait, hold on. Like I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, and also don't forget to follow me on the rest of my social medias. And well, yeah, follow me on Thread, because yes, we're vibing on there. But yeah, anyways, and today's shout out goes to Giselle. Thank you so much for commenting on my last video. And up next, I do want to give a huge shout out to Nana Loves You. Thank you so much for commenting on my videos. I am so thankful for your comment, all of your comments. I love you all so much. And well, yeah, once again, don't forget to show my videos some love if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to follow me on the rest of my social medias if you want to be besties on there. My Instagram, my Twitter. Just kidding, I don't really use that anymore because, you know, Threads. But yeah, I'm just kidding. But my Instagram for sure, that's where I'm on all the time. And well, yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope all of you are having a wonderful day. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Love you all. Bye.